we all like switching up what we eat, so the next time you're craving Mexican food, try making some beef tinga. What? What's that? You've never heard of beef tinga? I can tell you it smells good. Chef Martin Lopez is back, and he's going to tell us all about what is it. Get over here. What?
Oh, now you
now
want
I
me.
do want you
Good
over
morning,
here.
St. Louis. How are you?
What is tinga?
Tinga. Well, tinga is the name of the dish, right? It
Okay.
can be done in a lot of different proteins. To give you an idea, today we're going to make beef tinga.
Okay.
But you can also do it with chicken. You can also do it with tofu.
Tofu.
In this case, yeah, a lot of people are finding alternatives for vegan recipes and stuff. This is a perfect opportunity to do that. And the way you start is really, really simple. The recipe, to follow every ingredient and everything is going to be on the website. Well, margaritas, we're doing those next. After the show, we're doing those.
Good.
Okay, good. So we're starting with the avocados. No. What's the name of this? Tomatoes. Yeah, it looked like avocado.
Don't look at me and ask a question because I'm lost.
Right. So we have our tomatoes, and I already got them a little bit going here with a little bit of water.
With ice or water?
Just water.
Water. Oh,
just
okay.
we don't make so much noise through
Okay.
live TV. So anyway, now I have some jalapeno or chipotles in here, which is a jalapeno, a dried jalapeno, a smoked dried jalapeno.
Okay.
And you normally buy those in a little can like this,
right,
in the Mexican section.
Oh, okay.
Coming really popular. But anyway, you got your chipotles, and then some garlic cloves.
Ooh,
it's got to be strong in
rich
flavor.
on the garlic.
Yes, and that's what we want. So then we're gonna do this. We're gonna just briefly, because we want it choppy.
All right.
And then on our stove, we're gonna have some oil, vegetable oil, olive oil. It's your preference. And we're gonna let it get hot. And then we're gonna add our onions.
Okay.
Right? It's absolutely delicious. And the smell that you get from this sauce is gonna be super good. Now, just for time's sake, we're gonna do it, but we wanna get them nice and golden.
Okay.
Right? We're gonna sweat the onions. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. A couple more. I like to use sea salt. What kind of salt do you use at home?
I use sea salt.
Yeah?
Kosher sea salt.
Kosher and sea salt, yeah. A little bit of black pepper. And like I said, we just want to saute our onions.
Sure, it'll take a little while, but
yeah, but we're gonna keep going anyway. And then we're gonna add our sauce.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute this. We're gonna saute this and make a beautiful sauce, right?
Okay.
Once we get the sauce and it boils for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, we want to keep an eye on it, on low heat. We're gonna add our protein.
All right.
In this case, we're doing beef. Like I said, we can do tofu, we can do chicken.
Okay, so that's gonna go
whatever
in
we
with
want.
the sauce.
Yeah, and then it's going to simmer.
Okay.
So the hard part in the prep for this entire dish is going to be getting your protein ready.
It's not eating.
Yeah, you
hand picking.
Yeah, well, that you were doing it this morning, but it's all right. It's all right. I brought you lunch anyway. So then, what you want to do, you want to kind of let it simmer for a little while. If you need a little more liquid, you can always add a little bit of the broth when you cook the meat.
Chicken
Whichever
broth.
the case may be, right? If it's chicken or beef or vegetable.
Oh, that's
in
beef
this
broth.
case
Okay,
for that
all
one,
right,
right?
gotcha.
So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna let it go for a while.
All right.
And this is what you're gonna come up with.
All right. Good.
And this is how it looks after it's been cooked
The magic of television.
and simmered. Exactly. We all love that, right? It just creates very simple food. And like I said, this dish goes great in tacos, over tostadas.
Okay.
You want to make one?
Sure. Why not?
Grab that, and then we're gonna put a little bit of that. Oh my goodness.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Just go ahead and cover it up.
Now the whole thing. Spread it out because we're not
spread it
folding
up.
this.
Right. And I mean, if you were making a taco, then you will be able to fold it. In this case, you don't. Then we're gonna put a little bit of avocado.
Okay.
Over the
I like
side.
it so far. I mean, I like everything in it.
Yep. And like I said, you can do so much with this filling. Because you can do burritos too. It goes great on a flour tortilla. And then we can put a little crema over the top.
Okay. Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
And then even chopped tomatoes or anything you want. I brought a little bit of queso fresco on top of it.
What is that?
This is queso fresco right here.
Oh, okay.
I'm just shaving a little bit of queso fresco.
Queso fresco.
Yeah. One of my favorite
You ever hear
cheeses.
that? Queso fresco? Have you really?
Laura loves it.
Yeah?
I know she does,
Is
yeah.
it like cheddar? What is it like?
It's a light creamy cheese.
Okay.
Here, are you going to take a bite of that?
How do you bite it?
Just grab it with your hands and go like that.
On TV?
Yeah, it's okay. Everybody wants to see you. See, even Laura wants to see that. I got you covered. I got you covered. Beautiful. Look at that. You tell me how it is.
It's like what you would expect. It's really good.
It's really good. Yeah,
It's a really good
I love
Mexican flavor and texture.
And the jalapenos,
having
right?
Avocado so thick, that's really nice.
And one of the things is
really
that if you do like chipotle, this is the recipe to have because whatever protein you use in the dish is what's gonna.
There you go.
get
Thank
through.
you, Chef.
You're so welcome.
Always
welcome,
good.
everybody. Good seeing everybody.
All right, you can find more of Chef Martin's recipes on his Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook pages. He's a busy man. Search the username Chef Martin Lopez.
Yep.
Okay, or Martin Lopez.
Love it.
Lopez.
Always good having him in studio.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, you guys.
Thanks, Laura.